ಇದು ಲೈವ್ ನೋಡು, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು ಚರಣ್, ಲೈವ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು. ಹಲೋ 1 2 3 ಮೈಕ್ ಚೆಕ್. ಹಲೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಚೆಕ್. ಹಲೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಚೆಕ್. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮು ಜೋರಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
soon after completion of the program, Honorable judges would go to the full court. Immediately after full court, there will be farewell function for the Justice V. Kamesh Rao. So I request all the advocates to remain seated here. In the interval, the Honorable judges would go to full court and come back for the farewell. Thank you.
May I seek your Lordship's kind permission for commencement of the proceedings? Please. I request the Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council, to welcome the newly transferred Honorable Judges.
Honorable Sri Justice Vibhu Bhakur, Chief Justice of High Court of Karnataka, Honorable Sri Justice Jayant Banjera, and Honorable Justice Dinesh Kumar Singh, accompanying judges Bengaluru, Dharwad, and Kalaburgi, Shri K. Shashikiran Shetty, Learned Advocate General for Karnataka, Shri K. Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General, Shri Shanti Bhushan, Venkatesh Karekal, and Sudhir Singh, Assistant Solicitor Generals, Learned Additional Advocate Generals, Vinay B. Manglekar, Vice Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council, Shri Y.R. Sadashiva D. Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India, colleague members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Mahalakshmi Nade, Law Secretary, Government of Karnataka, Shri B.A. Belliyappa and Vijay Kumar Majige, State Public Prosecutors, Shri B.N. Jagdish, Additional State Public Prosecutor, Shri K.N. Bharat Kumar, Registrar General, High Court of Karnataka, Learned Registrars and Judicial Officers, Srimati S. Nagasri, President, J.V. Vijayanand, Vice President, Raghavendra Chettigiri, Secretary, Shri Viresh Kumar CK, Treasurer, Shri Nagaraj S, Joint Secretary, and Office Bearers of Karnataka State Judicial Officers Association, Office Bearers of the Advocates Association Bangalore, Dharwad, Kalburgi, and Office Bearers of all other Advocates Association in Karnataka, learned senior counsels, family members of the Honorable Justice Jayant Banjeria and Honorable Justice Dinesh Kumar Singh, learned members of the legal fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. We have assembled here today on the happy occasion to welcome Honorable Sri Justice Jayant Banjeria, Honorable Sri Justice Dinesh Kumar Singh. It is a great pleasure and proud moment of me to extend a warm and affectionate welcome to both the judges. On behalf of the Karnataka State Bar Council and the legal fraternity of the entire state, I extended a warm and cordial welcome on our transfer as a judge of High Court of Karnataka, Bangalore today. It is my proud and pleasant privilege as a chairman of the Karnataka State Bar Council to welcome Honorable Chief Justice and 2 Honorable Judges to the Honorable High Court on single day. Honorable Mr. Justice Jayant Banjeria, you were born on 17 January 1965. You obtained law degree from CMP Degree College, Allahabad University in the year 1987. You enrolled as an advocate in the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh on 8 January 1989. You practiced preliminary in civil matters before the Allahabad High Court. You were appointed as an additional judge of Allahabad High Court on 22nd September 2017 and become permanent judge on 16 September 2019. Since your appointment as a judge, you have delivered remarkable judgments. Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Kumar Singh, you were born 18th August 1966 to late Guru Prasad Singh and Pula Kunwar at Lucknow. You obtained Bachelor of Degree from Bipin Bihari Degree College, Jhansi. You graduated in the law from LLB, Allahabad University, LLM, Delhi University in the year 1992. You enrolled as an advocate in the year 1993 in Bar Council of Delhi. After enrollment, you started your practice in Allahabad High Court till 1997. Immediately within a period of 1 year, that is from the year 1998, you started your practice in Hon'ble Supreme Court from 1998. You practiced in constitutional law, administrative law, commercial law, civil laws, taxation, arbitration, and criminal laws. You served as a senior penal counsel for Union of India. You served as a additional advocate general for state of Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand till your elevation as judge. Considering your lucrative practice, you were appointed as an additional judge of Allahabad High Court 22nd September 2017 and became a permanent judge on 6 September 2019. Your godself took oath as a judge Kerala High Court on 21/7/2023. We have high expectation of your valuable contribution to renewal of this great High Court. Karnataka High Court has a glorious tradition and is the home for many great judges. I am sure you both will join the ranks of celebration judges of this court. Judges may come and go, but this great institution must remain forever to cater to the needs of the common man. I like to remind that the achievement of the justice world in the joint effort of the bar and the bench. We shall strive our best to maintain it. It is held that judges are the pillar of our entire justice system. There are some needs common to both lawyers and judges. Intellectual stimulus is one. It is only after becoming a judge that you being a realizes that there is even less time than as a lawyer for doing serious regarding of both legal and non-legal literature, having a forums to meet, discuss and exchange ideas of helpful both judges and lawyers. It is said that a good judge is one who is humbly, courageous, patient, fair-minded and free from bias and prejudice. I can say with confidence that you possess the quality is good measure. The bar will not seek any favor, but the same time, bar accepted a courteous treatment so as the enable the advocate to put up his best in any give cases. The bar of Karnataka is highly hospitable and cooperative. You need not feel that you are an outsider. On behalf of the bar and on my own, I assure you our full cooperation in our endeavor to dispense justice as champion of law and equity. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Now I request Honorable Shri Justice Jayant Banerjee to give reply to the welcome address.
My Lord Justice Vibhu Bhakru, Chief Justice of High Court of Karnataka, my esteemed brother judge, Shri V. Kameshwar Rao, my esteemed sister and brother judges of High Courts of Karnataka, family members of Justice Vibhu Bhakru, Justice Dinesh Kumar Singh, Shri Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General of India, Mr. Shashikaran Shetty, Learned Advocate General, Mr. Shanti Bhushan, Deputy Solicitor General of India and other central government advocates, Learned Additional Advocate Generals, State Public Prosecutors and other government advocates, Mr. Mittal Kode, Chairman, Mr. Sadashiva Reddy, Co-Chairman, Mr. Vinay Manglekar, Vice Chairman, and other members of the Karnataka State Bar Council. Good afternoon. I am truly touched by the warm and gracious welcome extended to me by the respected Chairman of the Karnataka State Bar Council. Ever since I learnt about my transfer to this court, I have been looking forward to be here amongst you all and experience for myself the grandeur and majesty of this court, which shines like a bright beacon throughout the length and breadth of this great country. The greatness of an institution is achieved and nurtured by all stakeholders with a spirit of service and sacrifice. This state, from time immemorial, has given to the world great mystics and saints who have influenced the course of this country's history by simply putting the welfare of all as the reason for their existence. Karnataka has produced numerous legendary judges and lawyers. The great judges, many of whom are still amongst us, continue to inspire and bless us by their sheer presence. They are ideals for new entrants to the bar and even for the seniors. They personify rectitude and intellectual brilliance. I pay my obeisance to them. I am looking forward to my innings here, which is starting under the sterling guidance of Honorable Chief Justice Vibhu Bhakru. It shall be my earnest endeavor to discharge whatever duties are entrusted by him to the best of my ability. The welcome I received from my sister and brother judges of this court is truly overwhelming. I look forward to working with them. I also seek cooperation and assistance from you, the illustrious members of the bar, in the discharge of my duties. It is said that judges come and go, but it is the bar that nurtures and shoulders the traditions of a high court. I look forward to learn the high traditions of this court from the respected members of the bar. Only where there is appropriate coordination between the bench and the bar can the institution progress. Ever since my arrival yesterday, I have been watching the selfless, dedicated, and competent working of the registry of this High Court, which is truly remarkable. I have met some very fine judicial officers who man the registry. I also look forward to meet and interact with other judicial officers from across the state who are verily the backbone of the judiciary. With this, I thank you once again for the warm welcome. Namaskar.
Now I request Honorable Shri Justice Dinesh Kumar Singh to give reply to the welcome address.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Mr. Bhakuru, Honorable Justice Kameshwar Rao, the senior judge, who is soon going to take oath in Delhi, my other esteemed sister and brother judges of the High Court of Karnataka, Mr. Shashikaran Shetty, Learned Advocate General, Mr. Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General of India, Mr. Shanti Bhushan, Deputy Solicitor General of India, and other central government advocates. Mr. Mittal Kaur, Chairman, Mr. Sadasiv Reddy, Co-Chairman, Mr. Vinay Manglekar, Vice Chairman, and other members of the Karnataka State Bar Council. Mr. Vivek Subba Reddy, President, Mr. Praveen Gowda, General Secretary, Mr. Girish Kumar, Vice President, Srimati Sweta Ravishankar, Treasurer, and other office bearers of the Advocates Association of Bengaluru. Mr. Beliappa, Mr. Vijay Kumar, State Public Prosecutor, Additional Advocate Generals, and other government advocates. Learned senior advocates and other learned members of the Advocates Association Bengaluru, Registrar General, Registrars, and other officers of the High Court, judicial officers, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar. I am grateful to the Mr. Chairman of the Bar Council for the kind words spoken about me. I am honored and feel privileged to receive the warm welcome extended to me, and I hope to have the same warmth, love, and affection during my tenure in this esteemed institution. Karnataka High Court has always found a special place in my heart and mind. Allahabad High Court had been privileged, and the bar and general public were fortunate enough to have the Chief Justice D.M. Chandrasekhar from this court in 1977 to 78. This court has produced and given to this nation several other stalwarts, jurists, and judges. I would like to make a mention of a few. I came in contact with Honorable Justice Venkat Chelaya when he was the chairman of the National Human Rights Commission in Delhi. I was assisting the commission in disposing of the cases of custodial death during his tenure as the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission. He blessed me and said, one day I would be elevated to the bench. The words of the great man came true when I got elevated in September 2017 on the bench of the Allahabad High Court. I had the privilege of appearing before Honorable Justice Rajendra Babu, Honorable Justice H.L. Dattu, former Chief Justice of this court of the India. I did not have the privilege of appearing before Honorable former Chief Justice Mr. Venkat Chelaya, as I did not join the bar when he was the Chief Justice. However, I had appeared before other judges from this court who were in the Supreme Court during my practice in the Supreme Court from 1998 to 2017. Justice R.B. Ravindran, Justice Siriak Joseph, Justice Deepak Verma, Justice B. Gopala Gowda, Justice Vikramjit Sen, and Justice Abdul Nazir and Justice late Mohan M. Santan Gowda have always impressed me with their simplicity, clarity, and relief-oriented approach and the precision in the judgments. Justice late Rama Joyce, the former Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court, was in the bar when I was in the Supreme Court, and thereafter he became the Rajya Sabha member and the governor. He was another stalwart from this court who highly impressed me by his learning not only in law, but in Vedas, Shastras, and ancient scriptures. I come from a land which is known as Awadh because of its capital, that is Ayodhya, where Lord Rama was born to King Dasrath and Queen Kausalya. After winning Lanka and destroying the kingdom of Ravana, Lord Rama reached Ayodhya where Diwali is celebrated. Last year, 21 lakhs earthen lamps were lighted on the banks of Holy River Survey. It is recorded in the Guinness Book of World Record. However, the biggest celebration of his victory, the victory of virtues over evil, is celebrated in Mysuru. Dasara festival of Mysuru is the biggest celebration in this country. I would certainly like to witness in the near future. Lord Krishna's birthplace is in Uttar Pradesh, in Mathura. But the most important and famous temple of Lord Krishna is situated in Udupi, Karnataka, where 8 mutts have right to perform puja in rotation of 2 years each. No Jyotirlinga temple is located in Karnataka. However, Shri Dwadasa temple in Bengaluru houses 12 representative Jyotirlingas of the original Jyotirlingas. Lord Shiva's capital was Kashi, probably the oldest city in the world, where one of the 12 Jyotirlingas is situated. Therefore, I find such a strong connection between Uttar Pradesh, from where I hail, and Karnataka. I am grateful to the collegium members of the Supreme Court, Honorable the Chief Justice, Shri Bhushan R. Gavai, Honorable Justice Surkant, Honorable Justice Vikramnath, Honorable Justice V.V. Ragnatha, and Honorable Justice J.K. Maheshwari, for providing me an opportunity to serve this august institution. I hope to make my contribution in upholding the rule of law, the high values and tradition of this august institution during my tenure here in Karnataka. Karnataka is land of great leaders in different fields, namely engineering, military, freedom movement, music, and literature. I had the privilege of attending the swearing ceremony of Justice Rituraj Avasthi on his elevation as Chief Justice of this High Court on 11th October 2021, who demoted the office on 2nd July 2022 on attaining the age of superannuation. I was the bench partner with him in Lucknow before he was elevated as the Chief Justice of this court. I always found Bengaluru as the vibrant and cosmopolitan city in its outlook, which is called the Silicon Valley of India, that provides jobs and opportunity to lakhs of people and make their dreams realized. Karnataka as a state has everything: rich in culture, heritage, vibrant society, beautiful rivers, temples, spirituality, forest, beaches, hill station, big cities, and the High Court, which stands as the guardian to ensure the rule of law and protect the human rights and the fundamental rights guaranteed under the Constitution of India. I feel myself privileged and fortunate to get an opportunity to serve this court and make my contribution in the development of law, upholding the rule of law, and protecting the rights guaranteed to the citizens under the Constitution of India. The bar always plays an important role in upholding the fundamental values of the judicial system, inasmuch as judiciary and bar are the two wheels of justice, and without the assistance and cooperation of the bar, procedural fairness, public confidence in the judiciary, efficacy, access to justice cannot be achieved. On the occasion of my farewell at Kerala High Court, I said, and I quote, "The real efficacy and integrity of judicial system are measured by public faith that it enjoys," unquote. Therefore, the responsibility lies not only on the judges but equally on the bar to maintain the public faith and judicial system that it enjoys. I look forward to the challenges and opportunity that await me as judge of this High Court. I assure that I will make use of lessons learned and the experiences gained in my previous tenures in Allahabad High Court and Kerala High Court while discharging my duty as judge of this court. I am sure, with the collegiality prevailing amongst the sister and brother judges of this court, rich traditions of the bar and cooperation which I expect to receive from them, my stay in this court would be fruitful and memorable. Thank you. Jayant.
I seek your Lordship's kind permission for concluding of the proceedings.